Lead investigator Brigadier Bongani Gininda gave details of how police began piecing together Meyiwa's murder after accused number 2 Bongani Ntanzi's confessions, in which he implicated all the other accused currently on trial. He started with accused number 3 Mthobisi Mncube, who is believed to have been the triggerman. Well, the High Court in Pretoria previously heard that the gun that was confiscated from Mncube when he was arrested for the Cleveland matter was later linked to the bullet found at the Meyiwa crime scene.
Profiling was then done. That is now starting with accused 3 to establish where he was, which we established that at that time he was incarcerated for unrelated matter to this matter, my lord. And so was the situation with accused 4 and 5, my lord. Then I also, my lord, in light of the profile that we had, pursued or tried to establish what items were seized when accused 3 in particular was then arrested for that unrelated matter. The purpose thereof, my lord, was to see if we can collect any evidence that was already in the hands of the police, my lord, in order to support the assertion, my lord. The first case number, my lord, that one was able to pick up is under Cleveland 96 of 2015, where accused 3 was arrested for. Now, in that docket, my lord, one was able to establish that there was a cell phone seized as well as a firearm that was seized by the arresting officers, my lord. And according to the information contained on the docket, my lord, it's alleged that it was seized from accused number 3. Now, my lord, I further established that the said cell phone was taken to the police war room for downloading in relation to that matter of Cleveland, my lord. And Alexander, it was going with other dockets, but the reference that was used was this Cleveland 96 of 2015. Then, my lord, requested Sergeant Mabaso to assist with that download, my lord, insofar as the activities that are related around the period of this incident. In other words, 2014 October, and also if we can see any pictures, in terms of the suspects that we described. In other words, people with red locks, anything around this period of 2014 or October. That was my request. My lord, I was given later a copy of his findings, an affidavit of his findings, as well as, I think, album of what he depicted.
Gininda then told the court that it then established that the firearm, which was seized from Mncube, was not tested pertaining to this case, and then requested that ballistics testing be done. But the results were not conclusive from a comparison which was done from the Cleveland exhibits from the case which Mncube was incarcerated for, and not the actual firearm. And after the firearm was obtained, further tests were conducted.
My lord, I further received a report. This is now obviously after examination that it was a match, my lord. In other words, it was the same firearm that discharged the bullet that killed the deceased in this matter.
From whom did you receive the report?
From Lieutenant Colonel Mangena.
The trial continues. Criselda Lewis, SABC News at the High Court in Pretoria.